All right, Rock the Block is an event focusing on improving neighborhoods within the area.
And it's all a part of the Habitat for Humanity's leadership program. And the CEO of the Sacramento chapter, Leah Miller, is there. Good morning.
Good morning. So glad to have you guys here at Rock the Block. We are currently in the South Oak Park neighborhood in the Israel family farm. For these 2 days of Rock the Block, we're gathered with about 300 volunteers who are out here in South Oak Park helping us to repair over 14 homes and 2 community projects. And what you're seeing right now is about 50 volunteers in the Israel family farm who's doing a variety of different things. Weeding, planting, pathways, painting. And this farm right here feeds about 50 families annually and hosts dozens of childhood education programs.
Now, this is the second day that you guys have been doing this, and you partnered with SAC Leadership, and they've basically supplied all the volunteers?
Well, so yes, it's a partnership that Habitat for Humanity has with Leadership Sacramento, which is put on by the Metro Chamber Foundation. The Sacramento Leadership Class 2018 selected Habitat for Humanity as their class project. And through this, we were able to do our first ever Rock the Block here in South Oak Park. And it's something we've wanted to do for a long time. And it allows us to be able to go into a neighborhood and do some neighborhood revitalization projects so that we can not just build single family homes, is what Habitat's often known for, but we also repair homes and revitalize neighborhoods.
How many people are showing up today? I know there are about, what, 30, 50?
Well, so over the course of 2 days, we've had about 300 volunteers come out. Today, we have probably about a little over 100 people, but here in the garden specifically, I bet we have about 50 people.
Wow. Now, yesterday, you guys had a very touching moment happen, I know, with a woman's home, and they had some volunteers there from law enforcement. Can you kind of explain what happened with that?
Sure. You know, yes, we had a very touching moment. That's one of the things I think is the greatest thing about Habitat, is it brings people together in some unique ways. So here's what happened. We have a homeowner here, Tanya. Her son, a couple of years ago, was shot and killed in his living room. And yesterday we had the sheriff's department out helping us. There are probably about 20 different folks in the sheriff's department. And they're walking up to the house. And when they got there, the homeowner was on her front porch. And she was overcome with some emotion because she recognized some of the people there in that group that were coming up. Some of them were the first responders in the night that her son was killed. And, you know, she was happy to see them again because they got to see her in a moment when it was probably the worst day of her life. And now they get to be here for a new experience to help, you know, part of her new normal, rebuilding it.
Yeah, that was so sweet to be able to see that, making such a big difference in people's lives. And like you said, a touching way to bring people together who may not have been brought back together. So very cool.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Keep up the great work there.
You bet.
All right.
Thank you.